Choosing the appropriate wire gauge is essential for ensuring the efficiency and safety of electrical systems. One of the finer wire sizes available is 20 GA gauge wire, which is often used for low-power applications. This blog will explore the characteristics, common uses, and benefits of 20 GA wire, making it easier for you to decide if it's right for your next project. What is 20 GA wire? 20 GA wire, or 20 gauge wire, has a diameter of approximately 0.812 mm, 0.032 inches. As with other wire gauges, the higher the number, the thinner the wire. Compared to 18 GA or 16 GA wires, 20 GA wire is much finer, making it suitable for lower current carrying applications. 20 GA wire is available in both solid and stranded forms. Solid wire provides rigidity, making it ideal for fixed wiring, while stranded wire offers greater flexibility, making it easier to work with in tight or moving environments. Common materials for 20 GA wire include copper and copper-clad aluminum, CCA, with copper known for its superior conductivity. Common applications of 20 GA wire. Electronics wiring. 20 GA wire is frequently used in small electronics projects and devices, such as wiring for sensors, controllers, and circuit boards. Its fine size makes it ideal for intricate work on compact devices. Hobby and DIY projects. Many hobbyists use 20 GA wire in DIY projects such as robotics, model building, or crafting simple electrical circuits. Its thinness allows for easy manipulation, while still providing adequate conductivity for low-power applications. Low-voltage lighting. In applications such as LED lighting and under-cabinet lighting, 20 GA wire is ideal due to the low currents these systems require. It can be easily routed through small spaces, ensuring neat and discreet installations. Telecommunications. 20 GA wire is commonly used in telecommunication systems for data transmission, particularly in signal or control wiring. It can carry signals over short distances without significant loss, making it suitable for such tasks. Alarm and security systems. For low-voltage alarm systems, motion sensors, or cameras, 20 GA wire is a go-to option. It is flexible, easy to route, and has sufficient current capacity to power these systems effectively. Why choose 20 GA wire? Ideal for low-power applications, 20 GA wire is designed for low-current applications, with a current carrying capacity of about 3 to 5 amps. It is well suited for small devices and systems where larger wires would be overkill. Flexible and lightweight, stranded 20 GA wire is extremely flexible, making it perfect for applications that require tight bends or frequent movement. It is also lightweight, which is beneficial in installations where minimizing weight is important. Easy to work with. Due to its thin size, 20 GA wire is easy to strip, bend, and connect. It is ideal for delicate work, such as wiring electronics or threading through small conduits and tight spaces. Cost-efficient for small projects, thinner wire gauges like 20 GA are more affordable than thicker alternatives, making it a budget-friendly choice for low-power, small-scale projects that don't require high current capacity. Suitable for short-distance runs. For low-power applications over short distances, 20 GA wire works efficiently without significant voltage drop. This makes it a practical choice for simple home lighting systems or small-scale electronics. Conclusion. 20 GA wire is a versatile and practical option for low-power electrical applications. Whether you're working on electronics, DIY projects, telecommunications, or alarm systems, its fine size and flexibility make it a perfect fit. Offering ease of use, cost efficiency, and reliable performance, 20 GA wire remains an essential choice for professionals and hobbyists alike.